Let's see the next word problem. Here we have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 20 and 60. Now if we talk about 20 का multiple है 40, 60. So 40 and 60 are the multiple which is divisible by 20. Same with if you take 60, 60 की जो multiple है वो 60 से divide होगी. So I have to find a number which is divisible by these numbers. So we have to find the multiple, means we have to find the LCM. So first thing we can understand from this is we have to find the LCM number which is divisible by 20 and 60 is the LCM of 20 and 60. So LCM of 20 and 60, 2 into 10 and 2 into 30. Then this again can be divided by 2. 2 5s are 2 15s are. This is divisible by 5. 5 1s are and 5 3s are. Then 3 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. That is 60. LCM is 60. 60. If we take the multiple of 60, multiple of 60 is 60, 120, 180. Means we know that since this is the multiple of 60, 120, 180, and the other multiples are also divisible by 60. So 120 and 180 are multiple of 60. These are also the multiple of 20 and 60, because 60 is actually a multiple of 20 and 60, because that is the lowest common multiple. These are the other common multiples of 20 and 60. So of course these numbers are also divisible by 60 and 20 both. Now we have to find a number which is smallest 4-digit number and is divisible by 60 and 20. So what here we have to do is we have to first see smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we don't know that 1000 is divisible by 20 and 60 both or not. So what we have to do is we have to check 1000 is divisible by the LCM or not. LCM is 60. So 1 is 60. We get 40 remainder and then we take this down. So 6 is 360. So we get 40 again. Remainder is 40. Means 1000 is not divisible by 60. So it means that 1000 is not divisible by both these numbers. It is divisible by 20 but it is not divisible by 60, because we have just checked that 60 is the multiple of 20 and 60 and 1000 is not divisible by both these numbers. So what we have to do is now 16 into 16 or the other way 1000 minus 40. Why? Because this is the remainder. If you remove 40 from that, we get 960. 960 is divisible by 60. Means it is divisible by 20 and it is also divisible by 60. But this is a 3-digit number, we need a 4-digit number. So the next number, that is plus 60, is 1020 is divisible by 60 and 20 both. So 1020 is smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 20 and 60 both. Second part in the question is also find the number closest to and less than 3000 that is divisible by these numbers. Now यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, हमने smallest 4-digit number बोला था, तो we have taken 1000 that is smallest 4-digit number, उसको हमने LCM से divide किया and हमें 4-digit number चाहिए था. If we subtract the remainder we got 6 times 60 which is a 3-digit number. So हमने उसमें 60 ऐड किया, because again if we add 960 plus 60 it will be divisible by the LCM and therefore it will be divisible by 20 and 60. यहाँ पे 3000 दिया है, so instead of 1000 we have to take 3000 divided by 60. So 3000 divided by 60. Here 5 is 300. So 50 is 300. Therefore 3000 is divisible by 20 and 60 both, but they have asked find a number closest to and less than 3000. So 3000 is divisible by 20 and 60. We need a smaller number than 3000, so 3000 minus 60 हमें करना है. Why? Because if you subtract 60, that number what you get is also divisible by 60. That is 2940 is divisible by 20 and 60. Here find two numbers closest to 5000 which are divisible by 36, 21 and 12. So again the number we have to find is divisible by these numbers, so we have to find the LCM. So पहले LCM find कर लेते हैं. So LCM of 36, 21 and 12. Common factor for all these numbers is 3. 3 12s are, 3 7s are, 3 4s are. Now 12 and 4 can be divided by 4. 4 1s are, 7s are, or we can divide it by 2. 2 6s are, 2 2s are. Again they can be divided by 2. 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So 3 1s are and 7. So LCM is 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 7 things are 21. 21 into 3 63. 63 into 2 is 126. 126 into 2 is 2. 6 into 2, 252. So 252 is the LCM, which 252 is divisible by 36, 21 and 12. 252, we divide 5000 by 252. So 1 is 252. Here we get 8, 4, 2. Take 0 down and then 9 is up. 2, 6, 8. That is, let's first subtract here 10. $212. Now 5000 minus 212. Why we have to subtract? Because 5000 is not divisible. We can see that remainder is 212. Now when you subtract 210, the number that you get after subtracting 212, the number that you get is the number which is divisible by 252. Since it is divisible by the number 252, which is the LCM of 36, 21 and 12, that number is also divisible by 36, 21 and 12. 4788 is the number which is divisible by 36, 21 and 12 and also divisible by 252. Now they have asked find two numbers closest to 5000. So this number is closest to 5000 because 5000 से छोटा एक number हमने निकाला है which is 5000 not divisible, remainder हमने हटा दिया. So we got 4748 which is divisible by 36, 21 and 12. Now 5000 or not 5000 actually 4788 plus 252 हमें करना है. Why? Because after subtracting we got this number which is exactly divisible by 252, 36, 21 and 12. After adding 252 to this number you get a number which is again divisible by these numbers and which is closest to 5000. So we add so 5040 is, or we can write 4788 and 5040 are the required number. In this table, we have to use the concept that first number into second number equals to HCF into LCM. If one of these numbers is not given, we can use this, or if both the numbers are given, we have to find the HCF and then we have to find the LCM. So this is the formula that we are going to use. Here, first number is not given, second number HCF and LCM is given. So first number is equal to HCF into LCM upon second number. HCF is 6 into LCM is 60 and the second number is 30. So 1s and 2s. So 6 into 2, 12. First number is 12. And this one, the first and second number is given, HCF and LCM both are not given. So we can find the HCF, use the formula, or we can find the LCM and then use the formula to find the HCF. So 22 and 60. We can find the LCM by common division. 2 11s are 2 30s. Now they don't have any common factor. So this is 11 ones are, and then this can directly we can take 30, because even if you divide it by 2 then you get 15, then you divide it by 3, so it is going to be same. So we can directly take this. So LCM is 2 into 11 into 30. So it is actually 30 into 22. LCM is 660. Now we will use the formula to find the HCF. HCF is first number into second number upon the LCM. First number is 22, second number is 60 and the LCM is 6. So 0 0 will be cancelled. This is 6 ones are 6 11s are 11 ones are 11 twos are. So HCF is 2. HCF is 2, LCM is 660. Then E, first number is not given, so HCF into LCM upon second number. HCF is 7, LCM is 210 and second number is 42. So 7 1 plus 7, 6 6. So HCF is 7, LCM is 210 and this is 42. So we can divide this 210 by 221 into 10 and this is 21 into 2. And this is 1 and this is 5 7 5 is 35. So the other number, first number is 35. In this question we have to verify the rule that we have studied. HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the given two numbers. So here two numbers are given, 186 and 403. HCF, we can use the long division method. 186 into 2 372. So we get 331. And you divide 186 by 31. 6 is 186. We get the remainder 0 here, therefore HCF is 31. LCM, we can use the common division method. As you can see, the HCF is 31. दोनों को common factor है 31, so we divide this by 31. So 31 into 6 is 186 and 31 into 13 is 403. 6 and 13, there is no common factor, so we divide this by 13 once and then 6 once. So LCM is 31 into 13 into 6. We can do the rough work. 31 into 13 into 6. The product is 2418. This is the LCM. HCF is 31, LCM is 2418. So product of HCF and LCM, that is HCF is 31 into 2418, that is 74,958. And therefore you can check product of the numbers. Of the given numbers, 186 into 403. So again you can do the rough work. The answer is 74,958. Hence very good. Next numbers we have 480 and 512. So HCF, again we can use the prime factorization or we can use the common division method. Sorry, long division method. 580 and 512 divided by 480. One side is 480. So remainder is 32. 480 divided by 32. One side is 32. So we get 16, 160. 5 is 160. So HCF is 32. Remainder is 0, so that divisor at this stage is 32. That is that is the HCF. LCM, 480 and 512. 2 divided by 2, both are divisible by 2. Again, both are divisible by 2. Again, both are divisible by 2. Again, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Now there is no common factor. So LCM will be the product of these into these. Because if we divide this by 15, we get 15 ones and 16 ones. So directly we will take the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 into 60. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, into 2 is 16, into 2 is 32. 32 into 56. Sorry, 32 into 15 into 16 is the LCM. You can do the rough work, rough calculation. 7,680 as the LCM. Now we have to check this, we have to verify this. So HCF into LCM, that is 32, that is the HCF into 7680, that is the LCM. Again rough work कर सकते हैं. 2,45,760 is the product of the HCF and the LCM. Product of the numbers. 480 into 512. If you want, I am not doing the rough work, आप rough work calculation कर सकते हो. This I can undo. 8 to the 16, 8 1 8 9, 8 5 is 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4, 5 4 is 20, 0 6 7 5 4. 2,45,760, which is C. Next question, we have the word problem. It is given HCF and LCM of two numbers is 6 and 360 respectively. If one number is 24, find the other number. So HCF is 6, LCM is 360. First number we can take, that is 24. Second number we have to find. So we'll use that rule or that formula. Second number is HCF into LCM upon the first number. HCF is 6, LCM is 360. First number is 24. 6 1 the 6 4 4 1 the 4 97. So second number is 9.